scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Buffers can look tricky, but this graph question is super fast if you track which buffer component rises or falls after each addition. First, read the initial change. After substance 1, the weak acid form decreases, while its conjugate base increases. Exactly what happens when a strong base consumes HA and forms more A-. Next, look at substance 2. The graph reverses direction, so the conjugate base drops and the weak acid rises, which matches a strong acid reacting with A- to regenerate HA. That sequence is base first, acid second, and the graph clearly follows that pattern, so the only matching choice is option A. Well done, option A. Scan now, watch signs, do not rush. Trust the given graph and check each step before locking the sequence.